Hi guys, welcome to our channel Volivio Healthcare. We provide world's best preventive healthcare information here. As we know, prevention is better than cure. So we are going to learn how to prevent triple C, cooking caused cancer. Are you preparing food for your kids or you are cooking cancer for them? Let's find out in this video. We will discuss 5 cooking mistakes which can invite this deadly disease to your house. Number 1. Do not overheat your food. All of us love to cook meat by grilling, broiling or barbecuing. If you want to enjoy your summer life eating grilled meat with your favorite barbecue sauce in a good health, then be cautious to overheating your meat. Because high temperature leads to formation of many potent carcinogens. 2 common carcinogens produced are heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. For example, if you eat red meat cooked at a high temperature regularly, it can cause pancreatic cancer to you. Your favorite barbecue sauce can also bring troubles to your family because there are some sugars in this sauce which can turn up into harmful chemicals if overheated. So always apply this sauce to the grilled meat in the end of cooking time. You will having a question in your mind that how we can keep the heat level low. The answer is very simple. You just need to flip your meat more often, like every 30 to 50 seconds. To further reduce the risk of cancer, consume a lot of colorful vegetables and delicious summer salads. Number 2. Avoid tearing of your food. Due to overusing mobile phone in kitchen, these days tearing is becoming more common. Not only mobile phones, there are various other distractions as well, which divert our mind away from cooking and we end up burning our food. This black burn part of food, as you can see in picture, is black death. My friends, are you wondering why? Let me tell you. This tearing produces carcinogens in our food like already discussed polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons, which convert into epoxides, and these epoxides start multiplication of cancer cells in our body through changes in our DNA. This can be prevented from happening by 2 well-studied tricks. Firstly, pre-cooking your meat in microwave for 2 minutes before grilling it to shorten the necessary grilling time. Secondly, you can marinate your meat using vinegar and olive oil with the addition of some fresh herb, garlic, mustard, citrus juice or pineapple. Number 3. Avoid frying your food with low-grade oils. I know what came to your mind hearing the word frying. McDonald's French fries, right? Guys, do you wonder what kind of oil McD people are using? Well, don't worry, you can still enjoy your favorite French fries at McDonald's because they are using canola oil, which is of good quality. But not everyone using same quality of oil. When carbohydrate foods such as potatoes are fried in a low-grade oil on high temperature, starch in them get transformed into carcinogenic chemicals like acrylamide. One more important thing to mention here is that we should avoid refrigerating potatoes because it frees up sugar in them, which combine with amino acids to form acrylamide during cooking. Avoid reheating vegetable oils repeatedly because it can reduce their antioxidant activity and increase free radical production, which may lead to cancer. Always prefer to use oils that are low in unsaturated fat like palm oil, olive oil or rapeseed oil using stir frying method to avoid harmful effect of frying. Number 4. Keep good ventilation of kitchen during cooking. The effect of cooking are not just transmitted through what we eat but also through what we breathe. Burning of crop waste or wood in cook stoves build up indoor smoke. According to World Health Organization, it is the reason of almost 3.8 million premature deaths every year worldwide. Exposure of these fumes from cooking oil raises the risk of lung cancer because these fumes contain carcinogenic chemicals called aldehydes. So, proper ventilation of kitchen during cooking can save you from cancer. Number 5. Keep proper hygiene during cooking. Unhygienic cooking leads to contamination of food with molds called Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus, which produce aflatoxin. Aflatoxin can lead to liver cancer in us. The molds grow in soil, decaying vegetation, hay and grains. You know which food mostly contaminated by aflatoxin producing molds? These are cereals, peanuts and other vegetables. Aflatoxins do alteration in human DNA and cause cancer. To prevent this contamination, you should practice hygienic cooking and eat freshly cooked food always. The added bonus is that by avoiding these 5 cooking mistakes, you will not only prevent cancer but heart disease, stroke, diabetes and other diseases as well. So, celebrate your summer life in good health with sensible serving of lightly cooked meat and a plate filled with fresh vegetables and delicious salads. Thanks to be with us till end. See you in the next video with a lot of new information related to healthy life. Bye bye.